Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jamal. I hope you guys are all doing well. Now today I'm bringing you guys another instructional video. We're doing our first modification on my brand new 2016 Cadillac CTS-V. Now if you remember from the last video, I told you guys that the only incandescent or halogen lights that were on the exterior of this car were the two license plate lights and the reverse light there. So today we are going to be switching those to LEDs to kind of match the rest of the car. Personally, I'm not a fan of halogen bulbs, incandescent bulbs. I don't like that yellow light. I like that pure white, clean light. So without any more further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So here's what I got, guys. If you've been watching my videos in the past, you know I like to buy everything off of eBay and I like to get everything as cheap as possible. So as you can see, these are the license plate LED housings. It's a whole housing that replaces the OEM housing, and the LEDs are built inside, as you can see. And they also come with these resistors here that plug into there to tell the car that it's pulling the same resistance, and we don't get any type of hyper flash or any type of error from the car thinking that the halogen bulbs are burnt out. So that's the license plate light kit, and then here are the LED bulbs for the reverse light. These are 921, I believe is the size, and so those are the LEDs for the reverse light, and then we got our license plate housings here. So we're going to start with the license plate housing because that's the easier one. I've heard that the reverse lights can be kind of a pain, so we're going to find out together how hard this really is. So let's go ahead and get started. Now the license plate lights themselves should easily pop out with a flathead screwdriver. So I'm just going to stick this here and pry it in, and it should pop out just like that. You may have to give it a little bit of force, and then boom, it pops out. And then this just twists, twist it, and it comes out, and you can see the stock bulb there. So we're going to pull this stock bulb out. To install the LED housing, it's pretty much going to be the same thing as removing the stock one. We're going to plug the resistor in to here, just like that, and then this is going to plug into here, plug into here, like that, and then all this stuff just tucks up. This stuff should tuck up into here. And should be able to just install this just like that. Alright, so as you guys can see there, we've got the housing in. I've turned on the license plate lights so you guys can see the difference. This is the OE. You can see how dim it is, and then you've got the LED housing there. The LED housings were like 17 bucks on eBay, so definitely a really nice upgrade if you guys have a CTS V3. Oh yeah, excuse our dirty car, guys, but here it is with both LED housings installed. Looks really nice. Alright, now to the hard part. So for the reverse light, from my understanding, if we come underneath the car here, so you can see that we have these 4 hex bolts here and here at the end. So you remove these, this metal plate should bend up, and you kind of have to reach up in there and come and reach in here, and the sockets are at the bottom here, and you have to kind of twist them and remove them. So I believe that this area is really tight, and so that's why it's kind of hard to get them out. But I'm gonna go ahead and undo these and kind of see what we're looking at so I can show you guys as well. These hex bolts here are 7mm, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove all 4 of them. One. Two. 3. And there's a 4th one. And you should be able to just bend this thing up out of the way. It's gonna be very tight, I can tell already. Alright guys, so coming in from this side, I actually might be able to show you where the LEDs are at. If I pull this cover down here, see if I can kind of show you guys. You can see the two plastic, almost U-shaped things there, and at the bottom, you can see the LED sockets themselves. There's two there, if you can tell. See if I can zoom it in. Boom, right there at the back side there. Now they're very tight, so I'm probably have to try to get some pliers up in there to turn them loose, but you should be able to just turn them counterclockwise and they should come right out. So as you can see, I got kind of wrecked, but I wanted to put that first one in just to see how bad it was. But I was able to take it out. I had to use an adjustable wrench to put the socket back in because it is really tight. But as you can see there, you can see the difference between the LED and the halogen there. So the right is LED, the left is the halogen, and so now I'm gonna put that last one on and I'm gonna try to show you guys how hard it is to get to that thing. There it is. He's got in reverse, and as you guys can see there, the two reverse LEDs are working properly. The last thing to do is to put those 4 screws back in, and then we should be done, and we're good to go. And that's gonna go ahead and do it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I hope you guys did learn something, and maybe I gave you some of you guys enough courage to do it yourself. But anyways, please comment, like, subscribe, and do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.